Thinking about upgrading your camera? From beginner-friendly models to pro-level gear, here's the ultimate buyer's guide to the best digital cameras in 2025. In today's rapidly evolving world of digital photography, staying ahead of the curve means finding a camera that not only matches your creative vision, but also leverages the very latest in technological innovation. The digital camera landscape, as of September 2025, is shaped by a dynamic fusion of cutting-edge features, compact designs, and a relentless drive towards higher image quality and advanced video capabilities. For adult enthusiasts and professionals alike, choosing the right camera can make all the difference between capturing an ordinary snapshot and producing a truly breathtaking image. Let's begin with the segment that continues to dominate headlines and push the boundaries of imaging technology: full-frame, mirrorless cameras. These devices are the go-to choice for serious photographers who demand uncompromising quality, flexibility, and performance. At the forefront is the Canon EOS R5, a model that has redefined what's possible for both stills and video. Equipped with a staggering 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, the EOS R5 delivers superb resolution, remarkable dynamic range, and pristine color fidelity. What sets it apart, however, is its advanced autofocus system. With deep learning, AI powering subject detection and tracking, photographers can rely on rapid, accurate focus even in challenging conditions. The R5's prowess extends to video, supporting 8K internal recording and high frame rate 4K, making it a favorite among hybrid shooters who transition seamlessly between photography and cinematography. Yet, Canon isn't alone in pushing the envelope. Sony and Nikon have also made significant strides, particularly in the realm of cinema cameras. The upcoming Nikon ZR, slated for release in October 2025, has generated buzz as the smallest and lightest cinema camera to date. Integrating the technology found in Nikon's acclaimed Z6 III, the ZR offers internal 6K RAW video recording and robust connectivity, making it a compelling choice for filmmakers seeking mobility without sacrificing quality. Meanwhile, Canon's EOS C50, launching in November 2025, features a 32-megapixel full-frame sensor and can record in stunning 7K open-gate RAW, a direct challenge to Sony's FX3 and a testament to the increasing demand for high-resolution, high-fidelity video in compact bodies. For those who prioritize portability and convenience, the compact camera market remains vibrant, with new models delivering impressive performance in pocket-sized packages. The Sony CyberShot DSC RX100 series exemplifies this trend, and the latest RX100 continues to win accolades. With its 20.1-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, fast hybrid autofocus, and 4K video recording capabilities, the RX100 7 is a top pick for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants professional-grade results from a camera that slips effortlessly into a jacket pocket. Its advanced real-time tracking and eye autofocus make it especially useful for capturing spontaneous moments, whether on vacation or at a family event. Action cameras, too, are reaching new heights, blending rugged design with increasingly sophisticated features. The GoPro Hero 13 Black stands out as the premier choice for adventure seekers and content creators. This latest iteration boasts 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth cinematic footage even in the most demanding environments. GoPro's HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization technology further enhances the user experience, making jittery, shaky footage a thing of the past. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, or diving, the Hero 13 Black is engineered to deliver vivid, stable images every time. Beyond the headline features, today's cameras also reflect a broader industry shift towards user-friendly interfaces, wireless connectivity, and robust ecosystem integration. Modern cameras are designed to be more than mere image-capturing devices. They're multimedia hubs capable of seamless sharing, editing, and collaboration. Many of the latest models, including those from Canon, Nikon, and Sony, offer built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing photographers to transfer images directly to their smartphones or tablets for instant posting on social media or cloud backup. Some even support remote operation via dedicated mobile apps, giving users unprecedented control over settings, framing, and shooting, all from the palm of their hand. Image stabilization is another area where recent advancements have transformed the shooting experience. The best digital cameras now combine sophisticated in-body stabilization with lens-based systems to minimize blur and shake, even in low-light conditions or handheld shooting scenarios. This is particularly valuable for video creators, but also benefits those capturing still images in challenging environments. Features like Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, Sony's real-time IAF, and Nikon's enhanced vibration reduction collectively ensure that every shot is sharp, clear, and precisely focused. Battery life, durability, and ergonomics are also top considerations for adult users who expect their cameras to perform reliably in a variety of situations. The newest models often incorporate high-capacity batteries, weather-sealed bodies, and intuitive control layouts designed for both comfort and efficiency. Whether you're shooting in the heat of summer, the chill of winter, or the unpredictable conditions of travel, these cameras are built to withstand the rigors of real-world use. Another trend shaping the digital camera market is the growing emphasis on artificial intelligence and computational photography. Features like automated scene recognition, subject tracking, and smart exposure adjustment help users get the best possible results with minimal effort, while also opening creative possibilities for more advanced users. The integration of AI-driven autofocus systems, as seen in the latest Canon and Sony models, marks a significant leap forward in both accuracy and speed. For those considering an upgrade, it's important to match your choice of camera to your intended use. Full-frame mirrorless cameras such as the Canon EOS R5 and upcoming cinema models like the Nikon ZR and Canon EOS C50 are ideal for professionals who demand top-tier image quality and advanced video features. Compact cameras like the Sony RX107 are perfect for everyday shooting, travel, and quick content creation, offering a blend of portability and performance. Action cameras like the GoPro Hero 13 Black are unmatched for outdoor adventures and sports, where durability and stabilization are key. It's also worth noting the importance of lens selection and compatibility. Today's mirrorless systems offer a broad array of native lenses, from ultra-wide to super telephoto, and many support legacy lenses via adapters. This flexibility allows users to tailor their setup to specific genres, be it landscape, portrait, wildlife, or street photography. In conclusion, the digital camera market in late 2025 is characterized by innovation, choice, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Whether you're capturing the subtle nuances of a landscape, the fast-paced action of a sporting event, or the intimate details of a portrait, there's a camera designed to meet your needs and elevate your creative potential. By staying informed about the latest developments, like the Canon EOS R5's revolutionary autofocus, the Sony RX107's pocket-friendly power, the GoPro Hero 13 Black's unparalleled stabilization, and the upcoming cinema-grade offerings from Nikon and Canon, you can make a confident, future-proof investment in your passion for photography. For adult users seeking the best in high-tech gadgets, these cameras represent the pinnacle of digital imaging, where innovation meets inspiration, and every moment is captured with clarity and style. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.